Then, since they were in Vijayawada and they were visiting a Vijay Durgamba temple, they decided that they should name the baby Vijaya if it is a girl or Vijay if it is a boy. Few months later, a boy was born and they named him Vijay as decided. As you might have already guessed, the couple are my parents and I was that baby. I am Vijay, Vijay Taluru in full. Some people call me Vijay, some of my friends call me TV, short for Taluru Vijay. I was born and brought up in Hyderabad. As a kid, I was very disciplined according to my mom, never throwing tantrums like other kids normally do. I went to a small school in my neighborhood. When I was in school, I was always interested in maths and sciences. After my 10th class, I went to like every other student in Andhra Pradesh, I went for coaching classes for IIT JEE. I used to have my class at 4:30 in the morning, so I used to wake up at 3 o'clock every day, get ready, and used to attend classes with bleary eyes. Even with all that effort, I could not make to any IIT. I joined BITS Pilani for my engineering. Before I joined BITS Pilani, I never left Andhra Pradesh. So initially I was really nervous what to expect from this new place. But after I joined BITS, I realized those were the best 4 years of my life. I had so much fun, made so many friends, and learned so much. I got my computer sciences degree from there. Then I joined Oracle last year. This is my first job. I have joined database group of server technologies. I am by nature, I'm a very shy person. When I'm in a group, I'm usually the last person to open my mouth and say anything, if I say anything at all. I hope I overcome this shyness. I have a lot of hobbies. I draw a lot of pencil sketches. Sadly, it's been a while since I drew anything big. I recently started learning guitar. So every weekend I practice guitar these days. And there is one hobby which I stuck to for 4 years without any break. That is learning a new English word every day. Trust me, I've been doing this for 4 years without any break, and I'm very happy that I have this hobby. I spend a lot of time reading web comics on the internet. I do this even during the office hours. I have a blog and I post a lot of articles on it about my trips and experiences. I read a lot of novels. My favorite novels are Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter. I love animals. I have 2 pets, 3 pets, a dog and 2 cats at my home in Hyderabad. I love planning things to the minutest details. Needless to say, I never stick to those plans. Moving on from my hobbies, I have some quirks or idiosyncrasies. Some of you people might be having these too. For example, when I'm walking on a tile floor, I always try to keep my feet trying to form L shape with the tiles, like a horse moves on a chessboard. When I'm walking on a road, this is one more thing. When I'm walking on a road and I see a vehicle coming from the opposite direction, I try to get into a race with it. What I do is, I choose a pole or a tree ahead of me and I tell myself, whoever reaches that pole first, me from this side or the vehicle from that side, is going to win the race. If I win the race, I'm the king of the world. If I don't, well, wasn't that a stupid race after all? And I also have one more thing. No matter when I sleep in the night, maybe 2 AM, 3 AM, 4 AM, I have to wake up before 7 o'clock. I have to get out of my bed. I just can't sleep after 7 AM in the morning. Maybe this has something to do with all those coaching classes I used to have all those years back. Apart from my eccentricities, I have a strong belief or a code which I live by. To explain that, I used to be a non-vegetarian when I was a small kid. Then I stopped eating non-vegetarian food because I realized I was unnecessarily hurting animals. This comes from my belief that I may not be able to make everyone around me happy, but at least I should never hurt anyone. No one should ever suffer because of me. Like everyone here, I do have big dreams and goals for myself. I dream of seeing my name on the list of who's who of the world someday. I always constantly keep asking myself, am I doing everything needed, everything possible to achieve what are my goals, to achieve the goals and achieve my dreams? And I'm very sure that I'll be thankful that someday when I reach my goals and look back, I'll be thankful that I have joined Toastmasters Club. Thank you.